how to use the voice effect feature after you have recorded your voice using the Filmora editor app. So let's just say you recorded a piece of audio with yourself being recorded, and now you want to change your voice. So originally mine will sound like this here. This is a guide on how to change your voice. So that's my original voice here now. And I want to go about and change the sound of this recorded voice here. So what you're going to do is tap on this once. You'll see these set of tools. Then if you tap on it a second time, you'll see these other set of tools will appear, and you'll see voice effect right here. So when I go to this here now, you'll see the different voice effects that I can choose from. This one here means no voice effect. So maybe I want to change it to perhaps a child sound. This is a guide on how to change. Or maybe the chipmunk one. This is a guide on how to change. Or any of the others that are available. Once you've made your selection and you come out of here now and you just exit out this section here now, your sound or your voice will sound as to what you left it last as. And of course, whatever you save it as, it will be saved as that there. Other than that, do hit that like, sub. Thanks for watching.